Nano Babo Kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Wern, Pampanga. For today's video, we are back dito po sa Eggs and Brekkie. However, hindi tayo bumalik dun sa unang branch nila. Actually, this is one of their 7 branches dito po sa Pampanga and Tarlac. I remember 2016 when we first visited Eggs and Brekkie. It has become a large company now. Tingnan nyo naman yung menu natin for today. If you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo po ako. Let's go!
David Jan Ubas po, Franchise Manager of Eggs and Brekkie. 2016 po, nag-start si Eggs and Brekkie sa Rizal Street, harap po ng Sandra Mall. 2017, nag-open tayo sa Balibago. Yun nga, nakitaan natin ang potential, kaya nag-expand tayo. Then 2018, nagbukas din po ang sa San Jose branch natin. Then 2019, Dao branch. January 2022 sa Tarlac. Then May 2022, itong San Fernando branch. Kasabay din nito is yung sa Magalang natin, yung express natin. Sabit ng August, inopen din yung sa Florida Blanca.
Let me go back to the memory lane. It was year 2016 when we first visited si Eggs and Brekkie sa May Angeles City. And I remember na tumatak sa akin sa mga pagkain nila is yung mga waffles. Pinaghalo nila yung sweet and savory. And I remember may kakaiba pa silang drink nun eh. Yung parang it's a peppery, spicy chocolate drink. I remember at that time. Now, on our table, they have evolved, they have upgraded their menu, but still, nandito pa rin yung pinaka-flagship menu nila, the all-day breakfast menu. Now, they have several rice meals. Huwag na natin isa-isahin guys, medyo matagal, pero marami sila. They have rice meals, they have waffles, they have pasta, and of course, they have drinks. Now, let's taste this guys while we are listening to Sir Jan dahil may balita siya para sa atin.
Pinaka-advantage natin is yung serving ng food. Affordable po siya, malaki po yung serving kasi natin. Bukod sa serving naman is yung ambience ng lugar natin. Kumbaga pang ano na siya talaga, pang sosyalan na tapsilog yan. Ang pinaka-best sellers po kasi natin is yung pork tonkatsu, steak and eggs, beef tapa, tsaka si salmon belly. Pero bukod po doon, sa mga rice meal, nag-serve din tayo ng pasta, appetizers, at tsaka waffles. Gusto natin yung dining experience nila is ma-maximize. Maging komportable sila habang kumakain. Ino-offer natin sa Eggs and Brekkie for franchising sa ngayon. 2 package yung ino-offer natin. Unang-una is yung cafe, then yung express concept. Sa Pampanga, open tayo, pero bukod dito is kaya po natin mag-expand hanggang Bataan, Zambales, Bulacan, Subic. Ini-invite ko lahat ng mga gustong mag-franchise. Just message us sa Facebook page or email po. Mag-send lang kayo ng message. Sa mga gustong mag-dine-in po, yung mga dating nag-dine-in na rito, sana bumalik pa kayo. And yung mga gustong may experience, sigurado po na hindi kayo mabibigo.
So, welcome to their San Fernando branch. This is the actually first and only Eggs and Brekkie branch dito po sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. Basing from what I experienced here, actually, napakalaki niya. This is their cafe style na franchise. No? You can franchise itong ganitong setup na to, which is like a cafe. Now, meron din sila an express type na mga stores or branches. It's a little bit smaller, kaya tinawag sila express. I think it's a viable business, guys. If you're interested to own this kind of business, sabi nga ni Sir Jan, they are open for franchising. Eggs and Brekkie San Fernando is located dito po sa may Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark is just, across yung intersection junction, yung pinaka-popular na intersection dito may San Fernando, Pampanga. So if you wanna visit them, they are actually open from 6 a.m. up until 11 p.m. Very long store hours. You can enjoy all-day breakfast dito sa Eggs and Brekkie San Fernando.